Hi, my friend. I want to share with you how delicious you can make butter coffee at home with this particular blender. So here on your left hand side, I prepare coffee about 200 to 300 cc or 1 cup of coffee. And just make sure you don't make it boiling hot because the device is made of a plastic, so you don't want to use a hot boiling coffee. You just let it cool down a little bit, and then you need to put, for the 1 cup of coffee, maybe you need to put 1 tablespoonful of butter. The butter is grass-fed butter. I bought it at the Costco. That what's the name? Green curry, something like that, from Ireland. And you're supposed to put the MCT oil, and I ordered MCT oil from Amazon, but I couldn't wait, so I have Trader Joe's coconut cream. Coconut cream, MCT oil, about the same. So again, you put the 1 tablespoon of MCT oil or coconut cream, like that. And then you close the lid. See, by now, your coffee is not scorching hot anyway. I would say maybe 75 degrees Celsius, something like that. So make sure you close it tight and you turn it around. Make sure you align this thing, and then you press it. Oh, doesn't start. The power is on. Oh, wonder why. That's it. Voila. Now, this is so creamy. I didn't know the butter coffee, you have to blend it like that. I used to just put butter onto my cup of coffee, kind of floating, and it wasn't that yummy. But this way, trust me, it's so yummy. You don't need to have sugar. All right, that's it. Bye. Hi, my friend. It's me again. After you enjoy your delicious butter coffee, now time to clean. And to tell you the truth, I never bought blender. Well, I used to have one ages ago, and I hate to clean it because the blade is so dangerous to touch, and it's just too much trouble. But this time, I'm so happy I bought this one, because all you have to do after you enjoy your coffee, put the water and just a couple of drops of dish detergent, and when you flip it over, make sure the water is a little bit above the blade, and then you press it. That's it. Now it's clean. You just have to rinse it. That's all. Bye.